gitanyitwo gikorwo ikiura guku bururi-ini na ni ati ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa mahiu guku bururi-ini niruo kalro ni rurutite mukana wa wihuge hari arimi na makilia riri bururi ugitanyitwo gikorwo ukiamukira mbura ino ya elnino.Gukiri uguo ni makiugite ati na makilia arimi a mbembe na aria makiri matura matiganite kana miena itiganiite guku bururi-ini maaya gukorwo makihutio na njira nene ni mbura ino kana hihi maikorwo matakirutite magetha mao na kuri uguo makiraniire arimi o uria wothe mangihota na ni riboti iria ikiheanitwo ni ndagitari eliud kireger na uria niwe murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge ruru rwa kalro.
We just completed a 5-year project last year whereby we did a lot of training of farmers on new technologies, innovations and management practices. So we believe that they are ready now to be able to move from subsistence to commercial farming. Our main support will be provision of our technologies through either planting materials, livestock breeds, and of course training on best management, training on value addition. So using our systems, we are able to communicate with farmers using technology. So we can send SMS, mass SMS to all farmers, especially like now we are seeing that we are expecting El Nino. There is a very good harvest, especially in the North Rift. If we don't harvest in good time, we are going to lose that crop. So we've been sending messages to farmers to tell them to prepare to harvest their crops as soon as they are ready because of the El Nino that we are expecting. Where the government is purchasing dryers, that will assist so much because if the rains start in October all the way to December, that's the harvesting season normally. So as an organization, we have given them information to be able to harvest early, dry, because if you harvest maize when it is wet, you get a lot of aflatoxin contamination, which is a very high risk.
Haya, macio ni mehariria ma mbura nene na iria gitanyitwo gikorwo ikiura guku bururi-ini na tugukihoka ati ona arimi ni magukorwo makiruta magetha mao matigagithukire migunda-ini. Tugitigane na icio na tukirongore riboti ingi igi magoti na ni ati a Kenya ni makiauritwo murigo